Fellas. Fellas. Good morning. Or I mean, good afternoon. 1 minute. One minute. Here we go. Oh. Wait, I'm hiding. Wait, I'm hiding, chat. Hold on. Okay. What's up? We're back. We're back with another PM session stream. Yes, sir. Let's go. Guys, we got some get back to do. Chat. We got some extreme get back to do. Lock in. Because today is going to be better than the Seahawks or the Falcons versus the Patriots. We are going to go crazy. I'm just starting the TikTok live. 1 second, chat. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Shebang. Shabong. Silver return negative. Chat. I'm going to the bank. 43% from all-time high. Gold. What is she at? 14%. Brother, I am going to the bank. If we take that low, I am going to the bank. And I'm buying a wagon full of kilograms of silver. I'm not even kidding you. I'm putting $200,000 down on this shit. Because with the current state of the economy, this shit should not be happening. We should be ripping. And we will. But we have a good opportunity there. Let's look at MGC here. See what the move is for the PM session. You can see that we're in a consolidation, but what the fuck? Oh. But we have a pretty nice reversal here on gold. It does look a little bit more bearish than bullish. It looks like it retraced into a daily fair value gap and now wants to push down lower. Silver is falling as we are speaking. It is falling. It is down 0.8%, but it's up 1%. I don't know which one's telling the truth, which one's lying. I have no idea. Looks like this one's telling the truth. But fellas, I think we have a really good buying opportunity coming soon with silver. I think we have a really good buying opportunity with Bitcoin hitting almost under 70K. Guys, hold your horses and hold your money because the buying opportunities in the markets are going to be absolutely insane. You guys better have some cash on you. You guys better have some cash on you. Because I do. I've been waiting for this moment. But we're not right there. but we're not right there. Low of the day on NQ. Right now I'm looking at, low-key looking at gold. The gold play looks a little bit better. I still think NQ is going to push down lower. It took its target. It doesn't look like it's going to reverse from here. Already down 2.32%. On terms of gold, gold looks like a better play here. Looks like you have more room. You see all these highs being left open here, and you can see how we retrace into a higher time frame PD area. I'm going to be trading gold this PM session. MNQ is already down 2.2%. We already ripped crazy. And once again, we did not have a 930 manipulation. Once again, we open and we go like that. So it's okay, but we don't engage. Right now, I'm paying attention to gold. Gold looks like the move. Bitcoin go to 40K. I'm putting in like 500 grand in Bitcoin when it hits 50K. My meta position still doing okay. It is down a lot, but my fill is all the way over here. Reddit's down 10%. Oh, fuck. Oh, 92% from its all-time high. I don't think you guys realize how good of a buying opportunity we're in right now. Reddit, 92% from its all-time high. Meta, 23%. Nvidia, 23%. Bro, Microsoft, 35%. Bitcoin, 75%. TQQQ, triple leverage NASDAQ, 24%. Broadcom, 37%. AMD, 35%, down 16% today. Oracle, 140%. Yo, chat. All I'm telling, definitely don't buy the NQ right now. All I'm saying is I'm gonna be buying some shit. You know, I'm gonna be buying. Guys, I'm live on YT. Benjamin SNC on YT. You're not down 140%. You're just 140% away from its all-time high. See? So when a market goes up 500% and then goes down 30% of 500%, technically, if it goes all the way down to like this, it's up another 200%. See? That's up 281% from there. I'm telling you guys now, the markets I'm getting into are Microsoft. Okay? I'm buying Microsoft. I'm buying Bitcoin. And I'm buying silver. And I might buy some Reddit as well. On terms of gold, it looks like a beautiful reaction to the upside there on that 1 minute fair value gap. It looks like we're in a little bit of a consolidation, so we want to break for a breakout. But what's catching my eye right now is this 1 hour fair value gap to drive us back down lower again. You can also see that we trade below that consolidation and trade into this inefficiency. So it does look like it can reverse up higher. Fellas, I don't know about you, but I'm loving the market right now. I am loving the market right now. I gotta let people know on Discord that I'm live. Patience is everything, guys. Patience is everything. The markets are literally dying as we're talking. Waiting for the right opportunity will make you a lot of money. A lot of money. You can trade gold PM session, most likely. It's looking a lot better. In terms of NQ, NQ is moving up a little bit. I'm looking at the stocks right now, bro. I'm looking at the stocks. And like, everything's looking like a good buy. Everything. Like Microsoft right now, you're telling me it's not going to go back up to all-time highs? So even, let alone that, bro. Silver. Like, look at this. Don't trust in the NASDAQ reversing here, bro. Okay, guys, it's going to a fair value gap. It's doing a little bit of a push up, unless it pushes back here, but I doubt that we're going to go back up to here. I doubt it. I'll be very surprised if we go all the way back up and rebalance all of this. I'll be very, very surprised. We haven't even traded into that new week opening gap. In terms of gold, though, gold is looking a lot cleaner for some longs now. We're about to take this high, trade into this hourly fair value gap, so we're going to see what happens there. I'm going to make a lot of money on my option trading, chat. That's all I know. Is when this reversal happens, I'm going to make a lot of money on my option trading. Guys, I'm live on Benjamin. I'm live on YouTube, Benjamin_SMC. Is there another government shutdown, chat? Is there another government shutdown? I don't see it. No, we're open. Some crazy crash is gonna happen. You know I'm watching? Yes, I am. I'm live on YouTube right now. Something's gonna cook, guys. Something is gonna cook. Something is going to cook. And I'm in it for it. I'm in it. We're in that one. We're almost in that 1 hour for value gap now. We did take that previous high here, so let's see what happens. Beautiful rip up to this guy there. Silver's back up. Silver's pushing up again. I don't think this is a low a day, though. I think we still got more ways to go. But we're in such a discount in the market. I want it to push lower. I want it to push lower. I want silver to push back below this low here, and I will buy. I will buy a lot. I'm looking for, okay, here's the thing, chat. I'm looking for a reaction here, but so far I'm bullish off of this reaction. Consolidation, sweeping the consolidation low, trading to higher time frame PD rate and pushing up higher. I am bullish. It trades to a 4 hour fair value gap as well. Trades into that new day opening or new week opening gap as well on top of it. I'm pretty bullish here on gold. See, touch consequent encroachment. But I just want to see how we react after taking this high before I engage in anything. Just got to be patient, guys. The markets are absolutely going ballistic right now. It's insane. Absolutely ballistic, chat. And I want it to keep going lower. I want it to keep falling. Someone in my Discord asked what my YouTube name is. No shot. I trade on Trade of 8, brother. My real name Ben, yeah. Looks like it wants to push up higher, but it's rejecting after souping that high. It looks like a beautiful turtle soup there, chat. We are in a 3-minute fair value gap like that, so that's why I'm not taking the turtle soup right now. But I will actually get into a gold short here. With that turtle soup on that high. If we start pushing a little bit more lower here, I will get into a turtle soup. Looks like a beautiful turtle soup. It needs to reject off this order block though. This order block needs to reject if I'm going to take the turtle soup. If it pushes above mean threshold, I'm not taking it. Hold on, chat. What the heck? My trade of it is not working. Hold on, guys. Come on, hurry up. Come on. Hold on. There we go. Good. There we go. Beautiful. I want to see it push down here. That's what I want to see right there. Yeah, fool. Ever been to Earl's? Yeah. It's okay. When is the PM stream starting? Bro. Fuck it. Guys, we're live on YouTube. Minimum RR, like I want to at least get like 1.75, just near 2. Looks like a beautiful order block reaction. I'm going to get into a short here. Look at that order block. It respects the lower quadrant of that order block. Now, yes, there's a 1 minute fair value gap that I can easily trade into. We're in a 3 minute fair value gap that looks like it wants to just get into and then push up higher. But look at the order block. Look at the liquidity that it just took. Look at the trend. Right? I just want to see it push down below that low and I'm in a short. I need a reaction. Asia tonight. Yup. NQ is pushing back down lower again. Yeah. Silver's pushing lower again. All the markets are pushing lower. I want to see NQ close negative 3% today. Markets are bleeding right now, guys. Markets are bleeding. One second, chat. Look at gold, bro. Come on, give us a better reaction than that. I don't like the 5 minute fair value gap that formed there. I don't like the strength of the market right now. But as long as it respects this order block, the turtle soup is still valid. That 5 minute fair value gap. I mean, with that 5 minute turtle soup, 15 minute turtle soup as well. It's rejecting off that order block again. I'm gonna get into short here, chat.
Order filled.
All right, we'll give it a shot here. We'll give her a shot here. I missed my fingers thing from last night. Who did that? Can't scroll. Bro, pause. No NQ for a PM session. It's already moved way too much. How do I set my fib like that? 0, 0.25, 1, 0.75, 0.5. I like the way you're training, but lately your bias in the morning isn't good. What can you say about that? It's my model. So if it's not performing, then it's not performing. I'm not going to change anything because it's not performing. You guys need to understand that not every week you're going to perform up to standards. But as long as you stick to your fucking model and stop changing shit as soon as it doesn't go your way, you're going to be profitable. Like literally a lot of you guys are like, oh, you haven't, it's like, bro, the reason why you cannot be consistent is because you change something in your trading as soon as you lose 2 trades in a row. As soon as you're wrong a few times. You guys are allergic to being wrong. Like sometimes you have to appreciate being wrong and be like, yeah, you know what? I'm wrong. I was wrong. But does that mean I'm going to completely change? If you go to the gym and you were bench pressing with the bad form the whole time, are you just going to stop bench pressing in general and go switch to like running and sprinting? Or are you going to fix your fucking form the next time and continue to stick to bench pressing? If you're going to the gym and you're squatting, but you aren't getting strength, and then you realize that you've just been weak, you haven't been eating properly, so you haven't been gaining muscle, are you going to stop squatting? No, you're going to go and eat properly and go like, bro, just because your model doesn't work, it doesn't mean you're going to change and abolish what you've studied for years. You're going to go to the fucking gym. I mean, you're going to go to the markets and you're going to do what you studied. You're going to do exactly what you've studied. And if it doesn't perform, you're going to brush it off your shoulders and come back the next day. Dragon stop loss says hi. Dragon stop loss to the high. Everybody, we're live on YouTube. Benjamin underscore SMC. Nice reaction. Keep selling off, please. I really want to buy silver. I'm going to go to the bank and buy silver soon. Why is silver crashing? Focus on geopolitical and US job data. Gold slips on firmer dollar. Okay, so the dollar. It's because the dollar is doing better. Hey, Moreno, you'll get it taken care of. Don't worry. Terrible reaction there, but we've dragged our risk to that high already, so we're perfectly fine. Could retrace to that fair value gap. Following along with you is teaching me to be calm, patient, and manage my trades. Hey, I'm glad you say that. I'm glad you say that. Let's take a look at the dollar really quickly, chat. The dollar has been pretty strong. That's why gold has been crashing. And silver has been crashing. But I don't think that's going to last for a while. I think it's rebalancing into this inefficiency. Then it's going to turn down lower again. I think we're going to see like a down like a dollar down to maybe like 87. I think we're going to see like an $88. Not the greatest reaction there, chat. I'm thinking I'm dragging my stop loss to break even here. Not loving that reaction as well. The turtle soup is so nice though, chat. I'm thinking I'm dragging my stop loss to break even here. All right, we're basically break even. Thank you for the $5, Moreno. Yes, I will be trading Asian tonight. Markets are ass today. Yep. Yep. Markets are dookie. Silver's moving volatile right now. Everything's going crazy. I can't believe that Reddit is down that much though. Like, look at this, man. 135% from all-time high. Oh. Yeah, I tried to break even here, chat. Talks to the trade. Turtle soup. Look at this high. External, internal range liquidity, targeting external. We could even hold it down for the low of the day there for 5R. Everything feels low probability. Yeah, today is super low probability. Like, look at that. What is it? Like, we push all the way down and then we retrace all the way back up. That's why I tried to break even. Oh, look at that nasty reaction. I mean, we are in that 3-minute fair value gap, but like, even still, if gold was not trash probability, this wouldn't have happened. And then we go to MNQ as well. Like, there hasn't been any 930 manipulation here. It's just chopped to the downside. No 930 manipulation. No 930 manipulation. This week has been very, very manually intervened. Very, very, very. But worst case scenario, we have a $10, what, $20, $25 loss on this trade. $30 loss. That'd be Ben trash price action. So the real winners of today are people that stick to their model and manage risk. And that's what's important, is when price action is trash, you just need to stick to your rules. Because you can't always control the markets. You can't always control the outcome, but what you can do is the way you react to the outcome.
Stop filled.
All right, break even. Break even. All Gucci. We're going to wait, see if we can find another opportunity here. Let's pull up silver. Not a bad break even. Bad price action ever since December. There's been a few good days. Good discipline, Jesse. Guys, we're live on YouTube. Benjamin SMC. Terrible dookie price action, as always. Wow, watch it reverse here. Moreno. Oh, that was an old dono. Not a lot of people are trading right now either. Like, guys, go on YouTube and search up day trading and find the live streams. The view count's low on everyone's streams. Not a lot of people are trading. People are just, the markets are so bad, people are just getting off. Like right now, other than Top Step, I have the largest PM stream, if you're not counting people that view bot. Yeah. If you don't count the view botters, right now we're the largest, but we're not even over a K. We're not even over 1,000, yet we have the largest stream. Wild. Asia session will be at 7:30 p.m. or 7:45, one of the two. Yes, we will, Ryan. I'll make sure that we do today. Wow, chat. Look at what happened, bro. Bruh. You got me fucked up. You got me fucked up. It's okay. Breathe. Okay. Happens. I just want the market to dump regardless. I don't care if this is a break-even trade. If the market dumps, I'm going to buying a lot of stuff and I'll make a lot of money. So wait, how much is a kilogram of silver? How much is 1 kilogram of silver? 1 kilogram of silver is around $2,700. We do 2,700 times 70 kilograms. Yeah, I might buy 70 kilograms of silver, chat. I'm thinking on doing a huge purchase right now, chat. And it's debated in between silver and Bitcoin. Like, I'm thinking about doing like a $200,000 investment right now. And I'm debating in between getting it on Bitcoin, which is 70% from its all-time high, or getting it on silver, which is, wait, hold on, 43%. But if it goes down back to this low, 70%. But for me, silver is a lot better than Bitcoin, especially in this current market. Like, let's say I buy it now, it goes back up to all-time highs. Like, let's say I buy it at a surplus because it's the bank, right? Let's say I buy it even up here. It's 36%. Let's say I buy $200,000. That's a lot of fucking money. I'm gonna be making $72,000 if it just goes back up to all-time highs. Great buying opportunities. Great buying opportunities. You gotta watch my videos, Joseph. Yeah, that 1 hour for value gap could be relevant. Rather wait for a reaction though. Here's what I'm gonna do, chat. I'm gonna buy, like, I'll probably buy even more. I'll probably buy, like, let's say just say $300,000 worth of silver. If that goes back, if that doubles, if silver can double, buying that 300,000 push, if I go to 600K, I'll take that 600K and put a down payment on a home for my mom. Her, but that's if silver pays off. So I'll sell silver and then do that. I'm looking at gold right now. Yeah, the gold trade's broke even. I closed that break even, the gold trade. The gold trade is done at break even, chat. Keep selling. Oh, yes. Keep selling. I just want silver to sell, chat. I just want silver to sell. I want this thing to dump today. $2 p.m. collapse coming? Why do you say 2 p.m. collapse? Why do you say that? Guys, we're live on YT. Guys, we're 4 subscribers away from 15,300. I want 4 people to subscribe right now. Do I miss the Korean guy? Sometimes I think about him. But you know what another thing is, guys? Look at this. I can't search up on this. Wait. Look at where AMD is. 33% from its all-time equal highs. Like, that's such a huge buying opportunity for everything right now. Guys, I want silver to dump. After stream, I'm going to go to the bank and I'm going to buy some. My question is, no, if you go to the bank to buy physical silver, you will not get it at the spot price, the live fluctuating market you see on Gold website. When buying physical silver, you will pay the spot price plus a premium. Well, obviously, I'll pay a premium. But I'm talking about, what if it goes up? Chat, if I buy, hold on, if I buy silver at the bank right now, obviously I'm going to pay a premium. But what if it goes up 20% before I actually get the silver? If I buy 200K plus... Wait, if I buy 200K plus premium of silver, do I pay when I buy or when I pick up the silver? What if it goes up 40% in 2 days, but I ordered 3 days ago? Your exact timing of when you pay and the price you lock in depends on what product you're buying. Physical silver, coin, bars, silver, blah, blah, blah. Physical silver, you place an order to buy physical product from a dealer. When do you pay? You pay up front at the time you place the order within the payment window. That means the cost is the spot price plus dealer premium. Okay. Spot price plus dealer premium. I just want silver to dump more. If I gold on Tradeway, MGC. One second, chat. It's ripping. NQ's ripping. It's going to continue to rip through the floor. I'm not anticipating a reversal here. We have 2 p.m. in 4 minutes, though, chat. No, I'm not getting into NQ shorts. We already moved way too much lower, chat. Way too much. Way too much. We literally got to be patient right now, chat. We have to be patient. We got 1 break-even trade today on gold so far. It's insane. This market is insane. It's a hard market, man. Maybe you should maybe JBL Trades TP says maybe you should modernize your strats because they haven't worked in a while. Brother, we took a 215K payout in less than a month ago. Brother, that mindset is literally what I tell people not to do if they want to be profitable. It's been 2 days, 3 days. Like, bro. Lock in, gang. Please give me advice. I have 50K funded and I won't know how much lot to prefer. Risk $250 per trade. I know it wasn't attacked. Don't worry. Why do people buy fundeds without understanding how to calculate lot size? I do not know. Good question. Good question, brother. I'm with you on that one. I don't know. Low key though, guys, like silver, I'm heavy on right now. It was consolidating for like look at this. For 5 years it consolidated. Like silver was not moving. That's the problem. Is long term, silver doesn't move. Gold does. I mean, if you want to use that logic, at 2013 we were at the same price that 2023. That's a 10-year movement of the same price. But that's a problem with holding a lot of gold, right? But in times like right now, I definitely think silver is better than gold. I just don't like how it's moving right now. $100K a year job or trading? Trading. Easy. I make that a month. Ben, is this price action normal for February or for the beginning of February? Yeah. All right, it's 2 p.m., guys. Let's see a dump. Let's see a dump. Come on. Dump. Dump. Guys, the market, like, look, that was 2%. Look at it. Not 2%, 0.2%. Look, this little move is like 0.1%. Look at this. It's moving a little bit on the 1 minute, and the percentage is absolutely insane. Like, the volume of money that is in that right now is crazy. What kind of question is that? I know. After 3 trades, was my P&L? I'm negative, that's for sure. I'm like a negative 800, negative 850. Ugh. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna buy silver. I think that's the move. Patience. I think Asian sessions are gonna go crazy though, low key. I just really want silver to dip. If silver can dip today, I'm gonna buy it. If it can get dip down here, oh, that would be perfect. Because instead of a 40% return to all-time high, it's gonna be a 53%. don't want it to keep pushing up higher here, man. Looks like it has lows to take. I'm probably gonna buy 100K in silver, 100K in Bitcoin. No, I'm gonna buy 100K silver, 100K meta. I'm big on meta. I'm gonna put another 100K in. I feel it's not the greatest return right now. Like, I feel like we could get a better return. Yeah, no, you know what? I'll do 100K on silver, and then 100K on, what was it, Microsoft? I think it was Microsoft. 100K on Microsoft. From all-time high, it's 34%. What's up, Sin Trades? Guys, we're live on YouTube, not reading chat on TikTok. You're buying silver? Yeah. Apex worth it? Yes. It's 90% off right now, but it ends in a few hours. It ends at 11:59 p.m. tonight. So make sure to use code BEN for 90% off on your Apex accounts. Yeah, patience is everything, guys. Look at that reaction with that high there. The failure swing to that high as well. I do think silver and gold is going to push down lower today. I do think we're going to push down lower. Guys, did we hit what 15,300 subscribers? 2 more subscribers. If you're watching and not subscribed yet, make sure to smack that subscribe button, guys. 2 more subscribers. Oh, look at that dump. Look at that dump. Here we go. I'm so bearish on gold right now. I think it's going to go down to this low. If silver can get down to previous day low, chat, I'm literally jumping off stream and I'm running to the bank. That's a 53% return. Even if I put 200K in, I'm making $106,000 back to all-time high. That's insane. I do need to do a little bit of analysis geopolitically on silver. Damn, I have 130,000 hours of watch time. I don't like that pushback up on gold. Don't love it. You want sub? Thanks. Why buy physical silver and non-ETF? So physical silver is always better. Physical gold and physical silver is always going to be better. Always. Him and hers, I'm not big on it. And remember, just because something is down a lot doesn't mean it's a good investment. Like, look, right? Just because something's down a lot does not mean it's going to be a good investment. Like 200% since its all-time high. But yeah. Not the biggest on it. Bigger right now, it's gold and silver, man. Look how volatile it's moving. Again, look at that. Terrible reaction there. I want to see it sell off more. Definitely not buying open door. What should I? What should I do if I want to buy silver since I'm under 18? Use your parents. I want to see a push down here, though. I'm not loving this push up. I'm not loving this push up whatsoever, chat. And I don't think it's sustainable. I think it's a new 4-hour candle. And it's just opening, trading up higher. Then it's going to trade up lower, down lower. I do think it's going to move down lower, chat. But we're about to be in that 1 hour for value gap there, which is going to be beautiful for some shorts. Dun, 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 dun. Was only $300 away from passing my first eval. I don't know what took over me. I blew the account. Hey, it's all good, brother. Listen, it happens. Some people go against the model. Some people tilt. You just need to learn from it. Journal it. Look, it goes up. It goes up almost 1% from 3 candles. Like, it's so much volume right now. We're not in that 1 hour for value gap yet, though. Use code Ben, of course, brother. Not the craziest market right now, though, chat. Not the craziest market. It is in consolidation right now. I think Asian sessions are going to be a lot better. It's insane how much silver went down. Also, off of logic, Joseph. Guys, we're live on YouTube. Any difference when trading gold, silver compared to NQ and ES? I trade the same strategy. I trade a different entry model. Gold is more manipulative, so I go for bigger stop losses. I don't trade silver. You're the king of tilt till I start following you. Let's go, brother. Come to India, Ben? Maybe. What time? Either 7:30 or 7:45. Look, it's already almost up 2% now. And it's barely moved that much. Like, what is this market? We're about to be in that 1 hour fair value gap there, chat. One more push up. You can just go to Brand. Nothing too crazy though, guys. Also, just to let you know, Tradeify has a really good discount going on with code Ben. 30 or 40%. Yeah, we're in that 1 hour fair value gap now. Beautiful. We're actually up 2%, which is crazy. Like literally this 1 hour candle by itself is 1.2% of silver. We go to the 5 minute in the past 10 minutes is 1.3%. 10 minutes is like what? Go to the 2 minute chart. 6 minutes is 1.1%. Go to the 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. To the high and the low of 7 minutes is 1.48%. What? What world do we live in? I want to see it rejecting this 1 hour for value gap now, chat. I want to see it start pushing down. I know alpha's not 30%, it's 10% right now. I need to change it. Is it because I'm not wearing my helmet, Blur? Looking for a trade today, mate? Yep. Just waiting for the right conditions. Ow. The fuck was that? Have you seen Matt does trading? He literally blows 100K per day. Then says he's a genius, but he is a CIA OP. What? No, I don't listen to Don Tolliver. I'm anticipating a reversal to the downside here, chat, though. Do I have a headphone dent? Probably. I think we're bearish, chat. We're in a 1 hour fair value gap on terms of silver. I don't think we've hit that fair value gap yet. No, we haven't. But I think we're going to sell off. But I'm not religious, but at the end of the streams, when you end in prayer, it's kind of nice to just end on the positive note, no matter the outcome of the trades. Yes, sir, brother. Always put yourself in a good mindset. I mean, yeah, it could go up to 5,000. I think it's going to go to 498 maybe, but I think it should reverse from here. But if it doesn't, it could go to 498. But realistically, we should see a reversal here. Like, we should see price action start to push down here. We're starting to break down to the downside. We have that reaction there. I'm actually going to be looking for a short here too as well. And I do think we're going to swipe out all of these lows as well. So it's 13. This will be the last trade of the day though, chat. 3 contracts. Based off that 1 hour fair value gap reaction, I just want to see it start to push a little bit lower here. Right now it's in a volume bounce there. Silver's starting to dump as well. Yeah, I need to have Dixie up right now. Dixie's in a heavy consolidation. Silver selling off as well. Beautiful 1 hour for value gap reaction. SMT on silver. Just waiting for it to push below this low right here. Then we're going to take a short. But it'll be the last trade of the day. Then I'll walk away. Come back in Asian session. Beautiful rejection. Just want to see it break that low right there. Yeah, I'm going to sell here.
Order filled.
All right, last trade of the day, guys. See how it goes. I know it's in a 1 hour fair value gap here, but I'm using the higher time frame over the, it's not in it yet. I'm using the higher time frame over the lower time frame 1 minute. I want to see this get inverted, pushed past. There's a volume bounce down here that we go and target. So that's going to be my first partial to break even-ish. I might not partial there, but I will break even here. So I'll just put the word partial. Okay. Volume bounce is a break even. Hasn't even traded to that 1 minute fair value gap yet. But this is the last trade I'm going to be taking, basing off that 1 hour reaction. If we don't get it, we don't get it. See, we have a little bit of a 5 minute fair value gap here. But once again, I'm anticipating it's going to push down low. We have a little bit of a fair value gap here we can trade up to. I want to see this be left open, though. But we'll see. Beautiful buy side delivery here, taking buy side all throughout here, trading to 1 hour for value gap, leaving a breakaway gap there. Should go to this volume of bounce. Let's see. Let's see. Strong silver? No, this is micro gold. But I'm also bearish on silver, yeah. Silver is in its inefficiency, actually, while gold has left it open. So let's see where we push from here. I want to see a displacement in this candle. The new 5 minute candle. It's a new 5 minute. I want to see a displacement to the downside. I don't want to see it hang around in this 5 minute fair value gap. This is what I don't want to see it do. I don't want to see it hang around here. I want to see it push past consequent encroachment. Let's break consequent encroachment right now. Even if it wicks it, I just want to see it break it. All right, that's not what I want to see. Come on, break it, break consequent encroachment. Give us that little bit of extra confirmation right here. Just wick past it. Come on. There, beautiful, bro. Consequent encroachment there. You buy physical because the whole point of buying a safe haven market like that is if anything goes down, if there's a blackout, if there's the banks close, or if something happens, you have actual physical assets. When it's digital, you don't actually own anything. You own fake shit. When you're ever buying gold and silver, you always buy physical. Don't buy ETF. Beautiful reaction to the downside there, chat. I'm going to be dragging my stop loss all the way to this fair value gap now to drag risk management in a half. Now I want to break. I'm 100% breaking even here to the dollar, or just maybe like right here to factor in that volume imbalance as soon as it touches this volume imbalance. Take profit. I'm going for this low right here. Nothing too greedy. Nothing, not holding to the low of the day, but I want to see a little bit of retracement on these smooth lows. This is the low hanging fruit. So I'm just going with these. Touch that volume bounce so we can break even, please, and thank you. Beautiful, break even, chat. Just a little bit above that volume bounce right there, so it's break even. W in the chat, break even free trade. WWW. Whoop whoop. Partialing at this low right here, chat. Break even partial, take profit. Does he book map? Nope. 4 positions? Nope. Keep the same amount of positions. Guys, I'm live on YouTube. Benjamin SMT on YT. Everybody hit that subscribe button. Guys, did we hit 15,300 subscribers? Yes, we did. W's in the chat. Silver's pushing down lower again, which is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Don't love that reaction. It traces the volume balance, then pushes up like this. I don't love that, and that's why I dragged to break even. But let's see if we can get a partial off here. I wouldn't want to back-to-back break even shorts on gold. That would kind of be a little bit annoying, but at the end of the day, there's nothing you can force. Just let the trades play. Let the trades play how we want it. Guys, we have the #1 PM stream on YouTube right now. How does it feel to be watching the #1 streamer on PM session? Let's see a push on this fair value gap. I don't want to see a push up a little bit more. Am I Somalian? Yeah. Great entry. Thank you, brother. You know what? After coming back from Miami and talking to like the Einstein of Wall Street and a lot of stuff, I've gotten very interested in what the VWAP is. Like, for people that understand VWAP, because I have no idea what it is this a good sell right now when we're under whatever this green line is, or do you want to be selling when you're above it? Like, are we in a good sell right now, or like what's going on? Is it a discount? The VWAP's the blue line, then what's the green line? I'm following the trend. So you want to buy above it and sell below it? So that's the standard deviation of what, though? Standard deviation of what? So you want to short below VWAP and long above it. Because I'm always open. Like, I might study about it, but I've never used it before. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars not touching a VWAP. Where's like the most... It's interesting because like I see a lot of traders use it. Now, what if I factored in this setup? You know what I mean? Like, see at 930. You see prior to 930, we start selling off, and then 930 rips off, trades into a fair value gap, trades back, and we're below the VWAP now, and this, that. You know what I mean? Like, if we go into MNQ real quick, as well. You can see like push below, and at 9:30 we reject pushing up to VWAP. Like, is that a thing? Is this a thing, chat? Like, I don't even know what VWAP is, but when you see this and it rips lower and then it tries to push up and it rejects going above the VWAP, is that a thing? Is that a signal? Or is it just you want to see price break it? I'll study about it. Like, it's interesting, but let's not hit another break even here, man. Yes, it's a thing when it rejects going up to the positive of the break of the VWAP. All right. Oh, no way. No way. No way. No way we still win this trade. No way we don't break even.
Stop filled.
All right, 2 break evens, chat. That's it for me. That's it for me, fellas. I'm going to wrap up. I'll be live in Asian session on TikTok, but for the YouTube stream, that wraps up with me. 2 break evens is enough for me to get off. Fellas, we're going to finish in Praia, and then I'll see you guys on PM session. Be safe. Don't chase. And I'll let you guys know if I end up buying silver today. I do want to see it sell off. So if it does go back to negative, I'll go to the bank if it goes here. But other than that, we're going to finish in prayer, and I'll see you guys on on Asian session on TikTok. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, and forgive us for our sins. Lord, please be with us and deliver us from the evil one, and help us grow closer with you in everything that we do, and help us run from temptation. In Jesus Christ's holy, amazing name we pray. Thank you for everything. Amen. All right, chat. No way we reverse here. That would be so crazy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys Asia session. Take care. God bless. 7:30 to 7:45 p.m. Eastern time on TikTok, though, not on YouTube. Don't forget about the 90% off sale with Apex, guys. It does end tonight. 90% off with code Ben. Also gets rid of the consistency rule in the combine. Tradeify is also 30 to 40% off. Alpha Futures is 10% off, and Funded Next, I believe, is 15% off. I'm not too sure. But look at this reversal here. Oh, that's a shame. It's all good. Nothing we can do. We'll come back for Asian session. Stay disciplined. Stay strong. Have good risk management. We'll see you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys later. Take care. God bless. And peace. No way this rips. Take care, guys.